In this case, we have a quadrilateral, and let's quickly mark the vertices A, B, C and D. Let's quickly mark the internal angles 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's quickly mark the external angles. Let this be X, Y, Z and W, right? Now, from vertex A, if you write X plus angle 1 equal to 180 degree, we can write this as 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. They form linear pair. Now from here you get angle 1 as 180 degrees minus X. From vertex B, Y plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees, and from here you get angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus angle 2. Sorry, angle Y. Let this be equation 2. Then from vertex C, Z plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, and from here you get angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees minus Z. Let this be 3. And from vertex D, this was from A, from B, from C and from D, you get same way, you get angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees minus W. Okay, so this is fourth one. Now tell me, what is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4? This is equal to what? 360 degrees. The sum of the internal angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. From here, if you put the value of angle 1, this is 180 degrees minus X. Angle 2 is 180 degrees minus Y. Angle 3 is 180 degrees minus Z, and angle 4 is 180 degrees minus W, and this is equal to 360 degrees. 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180, this is 720 degrees, minus this is X minus Y minus Z minus W is equal to 360 degrees. We can write this as 720 degrees minus, and then within the bracket, X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360 degrees. Because when you open this bracket, this minus X, this becomes minus X minus Y minus Z and minus W. From here, if you transpose this minus X plus Y plus Z plus W to the right hand side, and at the same time if you transpose this 360 degrees to the left hand side, this becomes 720 degrees minus 360 degrees is equal to X plus Y plus Z plus W, and from here you get X plus Y plus Z plus W as 360 degrees. That is, the sum of the external angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees.